Good morning, my dear students. Well, myself Nuruddin Safi. I am going to teach you science of class 8th, chapter 5, coal and petroleum. I have already explained in previous video uses of coal. Then the next topic is petroleum. Students, Petra, P-E-T-R-A, Petra means rock. Oleum means oil. Means the oil which extract from the Petra. That is petroleum. Petroleum is sticky, dark colored and strongly smelling crude of which is present deep earth's surface. Deep earth's surface is certain area. It is called crude oil, or we can say mineral oil. Petroleum is a crude oil, or we can say mineral oils. How it is? It is dark colored, viscous, strongly smelling, crude oil which is present deep below the earth's surface of a particular area. It is called crude oil or mineral oil. The crude oil means petroleum is a complex mixture of several solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbons, HCO, hydrocarbon, HOC, H for height, O for oxygen and C for carbon, hydrocarbon. Not O. Compound which are mainly made up of hydrogen and carbon. Not O. Oxygen is not involved in hydrocarbon. It should be mixed with water, salt and other particles, other dead particles of living organisms. So, the crude oil is never a single chemical compound, but a mixture of compounds, just like coal, petroleum is also a fossil fuels. Let's start formation of petroleum. Next point is formation of petroleum. Let's start formation of petroleum. Petroleum. How it is formed? Dear students, there are so many tales behind it, but the scientifically proof is that it is believed. I have already heard by my teachers and from the books. I have read this, and I also believe this. Millions of years ago, microscopic plants and animals which lived in sea. Died and their bodies sank to the bottom of the sea level, sea surface, bottom surface of the sea. There was soon covered with a layer of sand and clay. Firstly, a layer of sand and clay firstly covered this sea part, where the dead bodies of microscopic plants and animals in their dead bodies. Over a period of millions of years, these remains in the absence of oxygen. These remains in the absence of oxygen, or we can say air, got bacterial action. The petroleum so formed again I am saying millions of years, these remains in the absence of air or oxygen also, we can say oxygen, absence of air got converted into petroleum. Without oxygen, the bottom layer of sea covered with sand and clay particles, clay layer soon, very fast. And this layer is covered one by one, sand particle, dust particle, dust particle, dust particle. This is, and microbacterial action is generated in that bottom layer of the bottom surface of the sea. This is the result to formation of petroleum. This condition after millions and millions years, after millions and millions years. This condition, this type of condition is the result of we can obtain the petrol. This is the story of the formation of petrol. This is belief. Meaning of petrol, which I have already told you. Petra means rocks, oleum means oil. The oil which is obtained extract from the petra. And the oil wells are drilled using during rigs. Drilling rigs is a large structure with equipment for distillation, for drilling an oil well. Again I am saying a drilling rig is a large structure with equipment for drilling an oil well from well. When a well is drilled through the rocks, mineral natural gas comes out find with great pressure, and after sometimes it comes out by itself due to gas pressure. Which gas? Natural gas comes out due to the pressure of gas. So students, the crude oil, petroleum pumped out of the well with the help of these large size of machines with large size of drilling machine and their structures, we can find the petrol. And most important information regarding formation of petrol. The first oil well drilled in Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. Pennsylvania, USA in 1859. Oil was discovered in India in 1867. In USA, Pennsylvania, 1859, and in India, 1867. At Malum in Makum in Assam, Makum, Makum in Assam, Assam. At what time? 1867 in India. Petrol discovered in India. Let's start petroleum product in India. Petroleum product in India. Petroleum production in India. Petroleum production in India. Petroleum production in India, it is Gujarat is very common, very necessary. Let's start. Some of the places in our country where petrol is being produced from the oil wells, and Ankleshwar and Kalol in Gujarat. Ankleshwar and Kalol in Gujarat. Rudrasagar and Lakwa in Assam. First one is Gujarat, second one is Assam. Rudrasagar and Lakwa in Assam. Next, Bombay High and Bombay High offshore area. Bombay High offshore area. And the detail of the Kaveri River and the detail of Kaveri River, the Krishna River and the Godavari River, Kaveri River, Krishna River and the Godavari River. Exploration for more oil is going on under the supervision of Oil and Natural Gas Corporation, ONGC, throughout the country. Who covered the formation of petrol in India? ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited, ONGC, throughout the country. This unit, this agency control the formation of petrol, how much petrol we stored in our country and how we formation of petrol, this and that. Let's start refining petroleum. Next topic, refining. Refining petroleum. See, refining petroleum. Next point, refining petroleum. Students, I have already informed you regarding petroleum. I'm again explain how petrol is and how it is refined. Petroleum is a mixture of several hydrocarbon. Several hydrocarbon means solid, liquid and gaseous hydrocarbon. Each hydrocarbon in the mixture has a different boiling point. Solid hydrocarbon, liquid hydrocarbon and gaseous hydrocarbon has a different boiling point. Just according their different boiling point, we use a container, distillation, fractional distillation tank, fractional distillation petroleum tank, just because their temperature point, because they have a particular temperature. They find out from a particular of their particular temperature. Each hydrocarbon is a mixture has a different boiling point depending upon the number of carbon atom. How they show the different melting point and different boiling point and different temperature, just because the number of hydrocarbon chain, just because of it. Upon hydrocarbon atom, it is the difference in boiling point is used to separate each compound of the mixture with a separate boiling point. Separate boiling point is called fraction. I am saying again, this difference of boiling point is used to separate each compound, separate different compounds of petroleum by a process, fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. As in your book, page number 77, here it is a diagram. Earth, the minimum part, hot or vapor, a container, temperature wise, different compounds filled in this container. First upper part, petroleum gas, boiling point 40 degrees Celsius. How much? Below 40 degrees Celsius. Which one we can open, which one we can extract, which one we fraction in fractional distillation tank of petroleum? Below 40 degrees centigrade temperature. Second one, next one, petrol or gaseous, 40 degree to 70 degrees Celsius, from 40 to 70 degrees Celsius. Next, methane gas. 70 degree to 170 degrees centigrade. Next one, kerosene. Kerosene 170 degree centigrade to 250 degree centigrade, or we can say Celsius. Let third ask diesel. Diesel of 250 degree to 350 degree centigrade. Next, fossil fuel 350 degree to 400 degree centigrade. And the last product, reduce lubricating oil plus paraffins, wax plus asphalt above 400 degree centigrade. So this is the flow chart, one by one. At last, paraffin and reduce lubricating oil, whatever type of lubricating oil which extract from the petroleum, that is the last point, and start from below 40 degrees centigrade, where we can obtain petroleum gas. And now, crude oil is heated in a fractional tank to about 400 degrees Celsius. 400 degrees Celsius, the temperature at which it vaporized the vapor of crude oil enter a tall fractional lower where they are cooled. That's very important point. How much degree temperature? 400 degrees centigrade temperature. The temperature is very necessary. After that it will keep for cooling. Now, various fraction of petroleum and their uses. First fractional product is liquefied petroleum gas, means LPG. Liquefied petroleum gas. LPG, gaseous fuel for home and industries. Next one, fossil fuel. Industries fuel for boiler and farmers. Next, third point, gasoline or petrol. Motor fuel, as we all know that petrol for a vehicle. Motor fuel, aviation fuel, solvent for dry cleaning. You know aviation fuel as a aeroplane, rocket, and aeroplane, helicopter also, just like for aviation fuel. Fourth point, kerosene. Kerosene fuel for stove and lamp in villages areas, rural areas. mostly use kerosene for lighting the burner lamp. Let us start. Diesel. Fuel for diesel engine and generators. Diesel used for generator and diesel engine also. Next, lubricating oil. Just for lubrication purpose, as a lubricating oil. Next, paraffins wax, candles, ointment, Vaseline petroleum jelly. You might have see the advertisement. Vaseline petroleum jelly, Vaseline, shoe polish, and the last point, bitumen. Last point is bitumen. In a paint industry, road surfacing. Paint industry and a road surfacing. Bitumen means just like we can say damar, coal tar. Bitumen. These are the fractions of petroleum and with their uses, which I have already explained. Next point is petroleum refineries in India. Petroleum refineries in India, refining of petroleum is carried out in a petroleum refinery. There are about a dozen oil refineries in our country. There are dozen refineries in our country. The oil refineries in India, Guwahati, Haldia, Kochi, Mumbai, Chennai, Mathura, Baroli, Digbol, and Visakhapatnam. These are the places. They are located refineries. These are the dozen refineries in our country. Let's start. Students, just for your knowledge, the oldest refinery in India is Digboi in Assam. Digboi refinery is the oldest refinery of our country in Assam, which was established in 1901. Let's start uses of petroleum. Uses of start. स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ, स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ।